Hello my beautiful friends, viewers and my awesome subscribers. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion, and we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and my lovely fans, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of jacquard print floral long maxi dresses for lovely women. My dear friends, these dresses are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. So my dear friends, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of jacquard floral print long maxi dresses. And friends, these dresses are so comfortable, elegant and easy to wear, and brilliantly created keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends and my lovely viewers, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction. Friends, take care of yourself. Love you all guys.